Hey everybody, how you doing today? We have a special video for you. This is the Find X3 and we're gonna see the microscope lens. We're gonna check out the microscope lens and see what we can in this fabric here. It's gonna be interesting, man. Look at this. Whoa. Whoa, look at this. And this is 30x. We can even increase the zoom here. This is crazy, man. That's a real macro. I mean, check this out. See this code, scanned code. It's crazy. You can see even these tiny little details. What is this? Man, this camera is really crazy. This is just for me, just to test things in the macro mode. I couldn't find anything that could, compete with this phone right here. I mean, I have the. Let me just double check this. We have the Zenfone 7 Pro. Does it even have macro lens? Just for the sake of testing. Pro. Slow motion tracking. I don't think there's no macro, bro. Maybe with just the ultra wide. Let's double check this. And nope. Doesn't work. Motion tracking. There's no macro here, man. Tried it with the ultra wide. So I'm putting it on ultra wide, and we have to try this. Let me just open the flash. Can we open the flash right now? Open the flash. All right, now. So if you put it in ultra wide and you open the flash, you're probably gonna get some probably nice macros if you're actually going to do it. So, but yeah, this is how far you can do with the macros. You cannot just go further than this, unfortunately. Let's see, the 1x, yeah. I mean, nothing can compete with the Find X3, man. These macro cameras, they are crazy, man. Great addition to the smartphone family. Yeah, this is just a quick look on the macro camera of Find X3 from Oppo. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Take care, everybody. See you in another video.